Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Abdullah Kamel, and this is the first video of a series of 4 videos that talks about how to design a smart small business system. This video is going to be talking and giving an introduction, an overview of what the system is, who is it made for, why are we making it, and why are we making it in Excel, and also how to download your free copy. So the first question is, what is this system? And the answer is, this is a complete small business system. And this system is targeting small businesses that are order-based. This is not made for retail businesses. And this should be known upfront. And so this works really good when you have a small business that run on orders, okay? And as you can see from the diagram here, this is basically all the tables we have in the system and also their columns. And the color code is explained at the top here. We're not going to go into much detail now. We're going to talk about it in detail in the second video. But here's going to give you an overview of how all the tables in the system are connected. Okay, so you have your products at the center of the system, and the products get bought multiple times from certain vendors, and the vendors will sell multiple products through purchases table. Okay, and then you sold them through orders that come from customers. Okay, so this is how everything connected. We're gonna dive into more details in it in the second video. There are some branching tables that supports the system, like pricing, and that is made because each product will get priced multiple times with different prices over time, and you don't want to lose your history. So this is why the pricing table exists. Same for taxes, sale taxes basically. Okay, so if we just go quickly through the tables, so you have your vendors table. So this is basically the the main information of your vendors, and then you have your purchases table, and this is all the transactions that occur between you and your vendors. And then you have the products. This is all the products that you have ever sold, basically, or let's say basically bought from your vendors, and they have to be mentioned here only one time. Pricing, on the other hand, here it will take the same product multiple times, maybe, as you can see at the bottom there, and there are some color coded that mean things like here it means that the price has expired. And so this is where you price your product based on date, pricing date. And these are the categories that we have so far. And then you have your orders from your customers. Okay, and then each order will have its details, right, based on the order ID. Okay, and then everything gets calculated later on, and especially one of the most important things is the weighted average unit cost, because over time you will buy the same price or the same product, you will buy it with different prices, and then you will end up with quantities from both prices, and you will sell some of them, but some will be left over, and then so you don't know what your price or cost is. So this is what the weighted average unit cost is for. Okay, and then you have your customers table. So this is basically the same as the vendor table. Basically, just contains the contact information for your customers and the sales tax. Okay. And so whenever sales tax in your country, state, whatever, changes, this is where you put the date. So this is basically just a quick run through all the tables. Now, all these tables are connected according to the data model that you see here. Okay. So the next questions, why are we doing this? Okay. So the reason we are doing it, because Buying a small business system off the shelf most of the time doesn't answer our questions, right? And we cannot customize it. We cannot change certain things to our liking, and so we can do it in Excel, and we can make it, robust as much as possible, and all tables can be connected and can produce the same reports and even more than the off-the-shelf software. And most of all, you can customize this to your heart's content. I mean, you can add things to it, and you can change, and you can design it the way you like. Okay, so that's why we're doing it, because we like to do stuff our way. All right. Now the third question is how you can download your copy. Now, as before, you know me, I do things for free, so this is 100% free, and I will be also providing support as you guys need it. I mean, if some of you seriously, using this, system and runs into a few hiccups, whatever things that he wants to customize, or maybe, I'm open to do this and support it for free to a degree, basically. But if it's too much work, then I might not have the time to do it. But any questions you guys have, I'll answer them with no issues. Now, to download this file, your copy, your 100% free copy, let's sell that. Anyway, so you will find a link in the description to where you can download the file. Okay, but remember, when you click on the link, and I've seen a lot of people, find it hard to find the download icon. Okay, when you click on the link, it will open the file in Excel Online. Okay, and that basically is a file saved in OneDrive, on Microsoft Cloud. If you cannot find the download, icon, just go to File and then select Download. So you don't need my permission, okay, to download a copy. Okay, I see a lot of people, send me requests to edit. Don't do that. Just find the download, icon or command, and just click on it to download your copy. Okay, so I'm glad I finally finished this system, and I hope you guys like it, and especially those who are in need of this system. And even if you don't own a business, or this is a very good exercise to kind of get your head around of how to connect things together. Okay, so thanks so much for listening, and in the next video we're going to be talking about how everything is done under the hood, basically. Okay, so we're gonna dive deeper into the data model, how everything is connected, and how some of the most advanced calculation has been done inside this system. All right, so thank you so much, guys. See you next time.